Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Today I got some exciting stuff to share with you. It's around Christmas time, my favorite time of the year, and what I love about Christmas is giving back to other people. So I got a buddy of mine who reached out to me and said, hey Will, I'm having some problems with my truck. Can you take a look at it and tell me what you think it is? I was like, yeah dude, come on over. Now I am gonna try to help him figure out what's wrong with his truck, but while his truck's here, I got a special surprise for him. Wait, keep it a secret though, let's not tell him yet. We don't wanna ruin the surprise. Hey, bud.
What's going on, buddy?
How you doing, man?
Good.
So what's your truck doing?
Making a noise.
What kind of noise?
It's like a rapping vibration sound.
Any idea where it's coming from?
I can't depict if it's coming from the engine or underneath. And I've checked underneath and there's nothing loose under there.
Why don't you pop your hood and we'll take a look at it. Engine actually sounds pretty good, man.
So the only thing that I found that's loose in here is the exhaust manifold heat shield.
The heat shield on the exhaust manifold? Yeah. All right, let's jump in the truck really quick, go for a ride and see if we can hear whatever this problem is he's having and see if we can help diagnose it for him.
That's it.
What we can do is we can go back and we'll throw it on the lift and maybe rev it. Does it do it if it's just revving or it has to be moving?
Well, it's got to be moving. It will not do it revving it.
It's coming slow. Yep. No, this way. Yep. Both sides or just the one side?
I'll bet you any money that's what it is.
Yeah, I agree with you. Here, do that again so we can see it.
I don't need that, right?
No.
It's just another accessory.
Yeah, see if we can get it off. Look.
Yeah, it's the steering part.
Oh, getting old.
It sucks having to crawl underneath houses all day long.
Yeah, no kidding. It's the older we get, the harder this becomes too. All right, let's grab some gloves. Don't want to get all dirty. I hate getting dirty. I don't know. Think his truck might have seen better days. That's your noise, buddy.
I hope so.
You want to wear it around your neck like a necklace? Piece of armor.
There you go.
Ugh. Look at this. Look at all the rust on the floor he said I can keep. Thank you, man. Appreciate it. For Christmas?
Yeah.
Every mechanic when they're lowering it down.
Wait. Government job.
Government job, yep. All right, round two. Dude, we may just be the best mechanics that ever lived.
I think that's exactly what it was. It was that heat shield.
All right, so behind me, guys, you can see this is a 2015 Ram 1500. And the problem that he runs into all the time is he can't see anything. Well, the headlights that came on this truck are just pretty much terrible from the factory. Don't worry, we're gonna get this taken care of for him. I reached out to my friends over at Auxito and they hooked us up big time with a brand new set of LED headlights. So today, I'm gonna show you how easy it is to change the headlights on your 2015 Ram 1500. So I personally run these headlights in my Ford F-150 and they are awesome. I also installed them in my wife's Pathfinder that she drives on a daily basis, and right now we're gonna install them in my buddy's truck. If you don't know how to pop your hood, this probably isn't the best job for you to be doing. All right, one of the first things you need to do is you're gonna wanna go ahead and pop your Christmas tree clips. There is a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now that we have all the clips off, we're gonna nicely lift this out of the way. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts that hold the grill on. All right, once you get the bolt off on the top, there's a clip on either side and the grill is just gonna slide right off. Here's the grill. Now with the grill off, you're gonna remove 1, 2 bolts on either side. You wanna go ahead and remove both 10mm bolts. Now here on the inside of the fender well, there's going to be one more of those Christmas tree clips that we have to remove. There is actually a clip in there that we have to loosen up so we can get our headlight out. With a little bit of wiggle, the headlight will come right off. We have the headlight up top. With a little twist, we're going to slide off this dust cover, and that is where our low beam is and the light that we're actually replacing today. Going to turn it counterclockwise, and the bulb is just going to come right out. Let's open the box and see what's inside. It end up giving you a brand new set of gloves, instruction manual, some zip ties, and here are the beauties. Take a look at these things, man. First thing we're going to do is we're going to take it and we're going to put it in. Once you have it in, turn it just to lock it in. Next thing we're going to do, like I said, this is plug and play. So we're going to take our connectors, we're going to line them up and lock in our connectors. And we're going to tuck everything neatly right inside the back of the headlight housing. Reinstall our weather seal. Repeat that for both sides. Ah, perfect. The headlights work just as they should. This is awesome. Let's button the rest of this back up and let's get this delivered to my buddy. And remember, he doesn't know that we did these headlights for him. Look at that. Talk about a world of difference. What's up, dude?
Hey, what's going on, buddy?
So you a Ford man now?
Nope.
Nope.
I like my Ram.
Yeah, I don't blame you. Your Ram's pretty awesome. And right over here, I got something to show you. I put in one of those crazy horns.
The toot toot?
Yeah, it's gonna be a toot toot. All right, so you stand right there. You ready? Here you go. Ready to listen to the horn?
Did you change my headlights?
Yep.
Those things are bright.
Dude, isn't that pretty awesome? You were saying how much you liked them in the Ford, so I got them for you for your truck.
Those things are bright as hell. You should have fixed the fog in my headlight, though.
Well, let's not push it, all right? I can't make magic happen.
I like those.
Yeah, he's got some condensation issues in this light if you guys weren't able to pick it up. Yep. Another time we'll fix that.
Way better.
Yeah, look how good that looks.
They go farther. Another 300 feet in front of me, easily. I like those.
You see what I'm saying? So you just turn on the high beams and you can see.
Yeah, you can tell.
They help. I mean, they definitely help, but low beams are where it's at.
Yeah, you can totally see the difference.
I just want to say thanks for being here. Thanks for watching the video. This was a kind of a fun little video for me to make. Want to thank our friends over at Auxito again for hooking me up with a set of LED lights. So make sure you click the link down below if you're thinking about putting LEDs in your vehicle. So if you guys like this content and like seeing a little bit of install videos, let me know in the comments down below. So we're gonna get back into our normal content starting next week. I also have some big Murcielago updates coming for you. So do me a favor, make sure you hit that subscribe button, check back every week for another Herman Motorsports video, and I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video.